Hi, welcome back to Sideninehomestead. Today we're making kabobs for the first time, so we'll see if it turns out. So I have some pork. This is actually a pork butt roast that I cut actually into steaks, but now I think I'm going to use them for the kabobs. I have some 2 top sirloin steaks, and under this foil is some chicken wings. So we're going to make kabobs out of those. We're going to use our mini chudbox with the grill insert for the first time. So stick around, we'll show you how we're doing it. I'll show you how to make these amazing shotgun shells. We did the snake method with them too. So you have 2 layers of the briquettes on the bottom, 1 on the top. Look at those, they look amazing. Wonderful glaze on them, and they are the perfect snack.
All that bacon.
On the Weber kettle.
Delicious. All right, we'll see you back in 15.
Move that butter around a little bit, let that melt. So first we have to cut all of the meat into smaller pieces. Now this meat has been sitting out for about an hour, and we did salt it, so that helps with the flavor as well, and it kind of draws out some of the moisture in the meat. I'm just going to lightly season these. This is the coarse kosher salt with black pepper, about a 1-to-1 ratio, maybe a little bit heavier on the salt versus the pepper. I'm just going to do it lightly. It's time to skewer. So let's see if I can do this without ruining it. The beef skewers are done. I thought I was only gonna have 2, but I had 4 of those. So we're gonna start with the pork steaks next. So I'm gonna start with the one that was kind of already apart. So what I bought was a boneless pork butt. So when they do that, they cut the bone out, which then leaves, you know, some pieces like this. So this is actually perfect for kabobs because it's already kind of broken up. The pork is all cut up, so I'm going to do a little light seasoning on there as well. Again, with the coarse kosher salt and black pepper, about a 1-to-1 ratio with a little heavier on the salt. I did not pre-season any of this meat before doing this, so this is all the flavoring that there is. Let's kabob. A natural fear of skewering my finger. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to skewer these chicken wings. We saw this somewhere and we thought, we could try that. Now it's funny because these wings over here are super tiny and these ones are ginormous. So I think I'm going to start with the big ones, the flats, and cross my fingers. Okay, all of my skewers are ready to go, so I'm ready to light my fire. So you can see I ended up with 4 of the steak, 2 pork, and 3 chicken wings. So let's get our fire started. I have my chimney here that's full of charcoal. I have my couple tumbleweeds, so I'm going to light those. And this is the grill box insert for the chudbox, the mini chudbox. So this allows you to bring the fire up higher and closer to the food that you're cooking. So you'll get a good sear on it. It's more like a grill versus a direct heat cooker. So I'm going to light these. All right. And put this over top. And now we wait. Okay, so the coals are ready. You can see there's no more smoke, it's just the flames that are in there, so I'm going to attempt to dump this without burning myself. All right, the cook is all done. It was super fast and delicious. We have our beef, our chicken wings, and our pork steak, and everything turned out excellent. It has a nice crispy sear on the outside and still juicy because we used our instant read thermometer to double check our temperatures. So if you're looking to do something really fast, these are a super fast cook. It would be great for a weeknight dinner. So I hope you give it a try.